Sa kabila ng mga pambobomba ng tubig at pagharang ng Chinese Coast Guard sa mga puwersa ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea, tiniyak pa rin ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pagbabantay ng Pilipinas sa pinag-aagawang teritoryo.
The Philippines is still remains true to the principles that were established and upon which ASEAN was born. And I think, as I said, that many of these things we no longer speak of today, but we must, because they are as relevant today as they ever were, perhaps even more so, because the global situation is a great deal more complicated than it used to be before. I would even go far as to say there is no such thing as a regional issue any longer.
Sa kanyang keynote address sa 21st Asia Security Summit sa Singapore noong nakaraang linggo, iginiit ng Pangulo na hindi lang ang Pilipinas ang nagsusulong para protektahan ang West Philippine Sea, kundi kasama na dito ang UNCLOS o ang 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea at ng iba pang mga bansa.
And when we talk about the South China Sea, we have to also remember that the South China Sea is the passageway for half of the world trade. And therefore, the peace and stability of the South China Sea and the freedom of navigation of the South China Sea is a world issue. And that is what I am proposing. And I am saying that yes, it is a regional issue, but we must examine and be part of the discussion. We must include all parties in that discussion, because now it is not just ASEAN member states who are stakeholders. And it is quite easy to see that it is in fact the entire world that have become stakeholders in the peace and stability of our region.
Aniya maituturing daw na act of war kung mayroong masawing sundalo sa pinag-aagawang teritoryo.
If a Filipino citizen is killed by a willful act, that is, I think, very, very close to what we define as an act of war, and therefore we will respond accordingly. And our treaty partners, I believe, also hold that same standard.
Ito din ang unang pagkakataon na nagsalita sa nasabing summit ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas na dinaluhan ng mahigit 550 delegado mula sa mahigit 40 bansa. Mahalaga din ang summit para pag-usapan ng iba't ibang problemang kinakaharap ng mga bansa para maresolba ang mga ito. Naging sentro ng usapan sa summit ang mga pagtugon sa mga hamon at seguridad sa Asia-Pacific region. Samantala, inihayag ng Department of Justice na malapit na nitong matapos ang environmental case laban sa China. Ito'y matapos matagpuan ng AFP at ng Philippine Coast Guard ang mga patay na coral sa Rizal Reef at Escoda Shoal noong Setyembre ng 2023. Ayon sa Coast Guard, gawa umano ito ng mga Chinese Maritime Militia at iba pang mga aktibidad ng China. Ayon sa DOJ, patuloy pang kumakalap ang tanggapan ng Office of the Solicitor General ng mga ebidensya para isampa nila ang kaso. Vanessa Bugtong para sa Luzon Headlines.